Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to move selection without cutting in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to New File to create a new document, and then we can keep this preset and create a new document. So a new document is created. We can go to make a selection. We can use Lasso tool to make a selection, or we can use other selection tool. For example, we can use Marquee Tool. I will use elliptical Marquee tool and then click and drag and press shift to make a perfect circle selection. Next, we can see that go to layers, we can see this is a background layer. If we use move tool, we can move the selection freely. But if we change it to a layer, if we click and drag again, we can move selection with cutting the layer. If you don't want to cut the layer, we can go back. I press Ctrl Z to go back. If you want to move selection without cutting, we can move to left toolbar to choose Marquee tool again. So we can move the cursor inside the selection and click and drag to move the selection. This is the first way. The second way, we can go to select and then we can find transform selection. So we can click and drag again to move selection, or we can resize the selection and also we can rotate. Actually, this is rotate, and also we can adjust the size with shift. So we can move an elliptical selection. I press enter to apply it. So this is how we can move selection without cutting in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.